With linear measurements, you can insert dimensions both in floor plan views or in the drawing models. To insert linear measurements, you need to select the 2D graphics object Linear Measurement. First, we will fix the direction. First click to set the starting point, then move to the end position in the required direction to set with a final click the end position. Once the direction is set correctly, using the intersection points, we can then click the measurement point to obtain our measurements. With further options, we can measure the object with Objects, add the selected object measurements cut by the selection line, and with the Profile option you can insert the object heights that appear on the external profile.